Hi guys, now let's see how to install AngularJS in Windows. To install AngularJS, we require Node.js and npm. Node.js and npm installation video link is given in the description. Now to check whether Node and npm are installed in your computer, open command prompt and type the following commands. Node space -v. It will show the Node.js version installed in your computer. Now type npm space -v. It will show the Node Package Manager npm version in your computer. Now to install AngularJS, type the following command. Now to test the successful installation of Angular CLI, type the command ng space v. It will show like this if Angular CLI is successfully installed. Now to create an AngularJS application, open the folder where you want to create the application. Here I want to create the application in this folder. Now to open command prompt, click on the path and type cmd and press enter. If you want to check again if the AngularJS is installed or not, you can type the command ng space v. To create a new app, type the following command. I am using CSS style sheet format, so I am directly pressing enter. Now I am pressing Y and press enter. Wait until the process completes. Now we have successfully created an Angular application. Now to open it in Visual Studio Code, open Visual Studio. Click on Open folder. Open the project folder where you have created the app. Now to run the Angular app, go to the application folder path in command prompt and type the following command. Your app will run in localhost default port 4200. To stop the app, press Ctrl C in command prompt. That's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe.